This is Chandrasekhar reporting on a very interesting day from Mehboob Studios in Bombay, India. In the recent past, we've been bringing you profiles of artists, leading heroes from the Indian film industry, film producers, directors, cameramen, technicians, journalists, and a whole spectrum of other people related to the film industry. There are a lot of films, Indian movies, with a lot of good guys, and there's practically every movie with some bad guys as well. There's probably a number of heroes who've acted in these different films, but there is very few class villains who can perform, and which means that these people are in more number of films than some of the heroes. And one such famous personality from the Indian film industry is Mr. Prem Chopra.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
अशोक।
तुम्हें किसी ने तमीज नहीं सिखाई क्या?
किस बात की तमीज?
इतना भी नहीं जानते कि मालिक को सलाम करना हर मजदूर का फर्ज होता है?
देखिए साहब, अभी काम छोड़कर सलाम करूं या सलाम छोड़कर काम करूं?
काम छोड़कर सलाम करो।
काम छोड़कर सलाम करूं?
हाँ, कुछ भी छोड़कर सलाम करो।
तो फिर सलाम।
लेकिन दोस्त कहते हैं मालिक की अगाड़ी और घोड़े की पछाड़ी से जरा बच के रहना चाहिए।
माधव सिंह वो जमीन खाली कर देगा?
जी हाँ। कीमत तो तय हो सकती है। एक बार हमें कह के तो देखिए गुप्ता साहब।
कैसा है साले?
क्या साले हुलिया बना के अमेरिका से?
अमेरिकन रिटर्न गाय। क्या ऑटोमेटिक मुलाकात हुई है साले?
तू तो मुझे ऊपर पहुंचाने वाला था अभी। अच्छा ये छोड़, ये बता कब आया तू?
बस 2-4 रोज हुए। सुना बाद में तूने शादी कर ली साहबजादे?
यार कौन सा गुनाह कर लिया है? तेरी तरह इधर उधर हाथ तो नहीं मारता फिरता।
अब देखिएगा हुजूर, मुझे कोई एक बोरी सीमेंट तो दूर की बात रही, एक मुट्ठी भर सीमेंट भी मिल जाए तो मेरा नाम बलवंत राय नहीं।
मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि मेरा अपना सगा भाई मुझसे इतनी बड़ी गद्दारी करेगा। बहुत बुरी बात है यार।
बाकी रहा ये सफेद बॉल। इन सारे बॉल्स में से किसी को भी हटाने या कहीं भी भेजने की ताकत सिर्फ इस सफेद बॉल में है, और वो सफेद बॉल हम हैं।
तेरे पास तो इतनी दौलत है जानकी कि तेरे सामने हम कंगाल हैं। वो अपार दौलत है जिसे पाने के लिए राजा अपना राज छोड़ते, ऋषि मुनि अपनी तपस्या तोड़ते।
प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा।
Mr. Prem Chopra has been in hundreds of movies. There are dozens of productions that are presently under production. Let's welcome Mr. Prem Chopra. Prem, welcome to the show.
Nice meeting you.
Prem, tell me about some of the movies that are presently under production.
औरत, तू मर्द की सबसे बड़ी कमजोरी है। मर्द ने तेरे लिए जंगें लड़ी, तेरे दामन में हीरे जवाहरात पेवस्त किए ताकि तू खुश रहे, मगर तूने मर्द को हमेशा धोखा दिया। मैं तुझे जिंदा नहीं छोड़ूंगा। मैं तुझे ऐसी जगह मारूंगा, ऐसी जगह तड़पा तड़पा के मारूंगा जहां तुझे पानी तक न मिले।
Well, we have a very different way of working in films in this country as compared to the others, because an actor works in sometimes in 1 dozen films, sometimes in 2 dozen films, which is absolutely unthinkable and absolutely out of order so far the West Side is concerned. But here we have certain system of making films. So I have lots of films on the set. We want to know the important names of the pictures on the set. Well, there are films in the making now are quite plenty, but the immediate releases are going to be.
आप बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं मिस्टर अमृत।
आप मुझे जानती हैं?
लीजिए, अदाकारी की दुनिया में ऐसा कौन सा प्रेमी है जो आपको नहीं जानता?
थैंक्स फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स। आप क्या किसी अखबार की रिपोर्टर हैं?
जी नहीं, दरअसल एक्टिंग का शौक मुझे यहाँ तक खींच लाया है। मेरा नाम अनीता है। क्या मैं एक्ट्रेस बन सकती हूँ?
क्यों नहीं, आप जितनी खूबसूरत और हसीन है उतनी खूबसूरत और हसीन एक्ट्रेस भी बन सकती है, बशर्ते कि आपके पास वक्त हो और जैसा मैं चाहूँ वैसा ही करें तो।
आप जो चाहेंगे मैं करूंगी अमृत जी।
Tell me, how did you get involved in movies first of all, and how did you choose to take on the bad guys roles?
Well, since my college days, I've been actively participating in plays on the stage, not professional but amateurs, and which gave me an idea that probably I'll be more successful if I choose this profession of acting. But it is not very easy in this country to be in this profession if you want to come, you have to make quite an effort. I came here, I took up a job, and then I tried in the films. After some time, I got into it. Well, I got into it, and that's how I got there. Well, I had intentions of, I had come with intentions of becoming an actor, be it a hero or a villain, because on the stage we do all sorts of variety of roles, so it gives us ample scope to do anything we like to do. Well, in a couple of films in the beginning, I was also a leading man. I started as a leading man in an original language film, in a Punjabi picture, which was a tremendous hit and also won the President's Award. But then that had a very limited scope. Now,
What is the title of that film?
the name of that film was Chaudhary Karnail Singh. It was a very big hit in the north side of this country. But then such films have very limited audience and limited area. So this is not a big budget films. In fact, I wanted to work in big films. So I also worked as a leading man in 1 or 2 Hindi films, which did not succeed commercially. So unless or until the picture succeeds commercially, the actor has to start from 0 point again. See, this is a commercial cinema after all. But I worked in a film where I had a very 3 scenes role, and that picture was a tremendous hit, but that was a very important role. The name of that film was Wo Kaun Thi, where I played a villain.
तुम? हाँ, मैं। ये सब तुमने किया? हाँ, मैंने किया। मगर क्यों किया? क्यों किया रमेश? लाला जगत नारायण की जायदाद जो तुम्हें मिली, याद है उसकी शर्त? अगर तुम पागल हो जाते तो वो तमाम जायदाद किसी दूसरे वारिस को मिलती, और वो दूसरा वारिस मैं था।
So that was after Shaheed, where I played a patriotic role. It was a different role.
असेंबली हॉल में बम फेंकने और मिस्टर शिस्टर पर गोली चलाने के जुर्म में भगत सिंह को बटेश्वर दत्त को सजाए उम्र कैद। सुखदेव, एक ना एक दिन तो ऐसा होना ही था। किसी न किसी को तो इस बलि वेदी पर चढ़ना ही था मेरे दोस्त। मगर दुख तो सिर्फ इस बात का है, हमने अपना सबसे कीमती मोती आहुति में डाल दिया।
Wo Kaun Thi was much more successful. So I was noticed immediately, and there was at that time a need for the young villain to take up to fill the void, you see. So that's how I was taken up, and I started working as a so-called bad guy, as you say there. And
That's only a figure of terminology in the United States and Canada.
that's right. And no, it's the same thing here as well. So there, I have no regrets as such that I'm playing bad guy, because I have been lucky, not like I have a very strong image of a bad man now, I believe you, but I have also been giving varieties in the same performance. Like I've been trying to make it more interesting performances by way of performing the same character in a little comedy or a little sadistic way, or a little different with a different get-up, so that the people who are going to see me in the same role over and over again, they keep on finding me tolerably interesting. Otherwise, there's always a chance of boring the people and getting bored in return yourself too.
नहीं, मैं तो तेरा नया नाप लूंगा इससे।
Prem, that was terrific. By the way, I want to thank you on behalf of all our viewers. Why don't you send your love and best wishes to all our viewers from Canada, United States, and West Indies?
Thank you.
प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा। मैं जो कुछ भी करता हूं ना, प्रेम से करता हूं। 5 लाख रुपया कैश मेरी बेटी गीता की जिंदगी से हमेशा हमेशा निकल जाने की कीमत है ये।